Hello everybody, Asong Filipina. So to this video, unbox with me. This is from one of my followers. So it takes like 2 months before it arrived here in the Philippines by UPS. So this one is $62 for shipping, and I don't know how much it is, the shoes, but then thank you so much to Martin. And then today I'm going to unbox it with you guys. So then after this one is we're going to wear for driving, so Pidas View. So it takes time because this is not express delivery, but it's too expensive. This is from USA. Oh my gosh, I have a letter, I did not know. Okay, happy yes. It's my birthday gift. So now it's March, and I didn't expect I have card here. Maybe I have more. Oops, nothing more. Thank you so much. And I also have one coming from India. So we'll see. So okay, time to open the shoes. It's flip-flops. So I have to do. You know, my outfit today is I'm wearing skirts. So I'm gonna show you my outfit. So that's my outfit, and it's quite so bright because it's so sunny day. So I have here, guys, the flip-flops that from my followers. And if you want to send for a shoe donation, use shoes, it's also okay, it's welcome. Just message me to my Gmail account. So just look at the description, and then you can send any shoes you want for me to wear. So for now, it's time to look what's inside. This one, so my size is 36-37. So this is, it depends the brand, I think, because usually my size is 36 US and Europe size, and this one is just fit enough for my feet. And the brand is Tikis. So this is not a paid video or sponsored video. So there it is, guys, and we're gonna wear this one for driving. And then it's together with this bag. So this is it, guys. This is it. So for now, I'm going to make pictures. My tripod is moving. So this is it, and then I'm gonna show you that I'm going to wear this one. So this is the flip-flops that we're gonna use for driving today. And okay, it's very comfy, very comfortable to wear. So let's drive with this. It's quite small a bit, yeah. So but this is good. Okay, let's drive. So this size is size 36. I supposed to, but that is really my size for shoes, but depend with the brand, I think, because for now I think I need 37. But it's not a problem because my feet will not grow anymore, still like this. So this is just good enough. And thank you so much to all of my followers. So that's all for today, and I hope you enjoy our short video. Bye everyone. See you next vlog.